Hello guys, this scam that I've been just going around concerning on medical scams. By the way, you just meet somebody in the street and they are telling you, I have a machine here. It can actually magnify all the conditions that you have. When you just place your biometrics there, that person tells you you have a certain condition like a heart disease. You have diabetes, you have hypertension. Yo, that's a total lie. I don't understand how magnifications or this lens or these biometrics they normally cut around and come with a diagnosis you have a certain condition in the body. I mean, that's a total lie. For you to be diagnosed you have a certain condition, you must go to the hospital, you know and get a correct diagnosis or using the symptoms that you presented to the doctor. Supposing you have high blood pressure, the doctor definitely will tell you, my friend, you having hypertension. If you having a lot of blood sugars in the body, when the doctor do some test here, for example the HbA1c test, the getting fast blood sugars, I mean, that's where you get diagnosed a certain condition. But now you just meet somebody in the street with a machine telling you, boy or girl, like, I have this machine here, just paying some small cash, check your body conditions. If you have arthritis, you have hypertension, you have cardiomegaly, that's a total lie. I just want to enlighten you on that matter. So when you get somebody in the street, just know those are people in business. Nothing legitimate or authentic is there. They want to con you. And just imagine when somebody tell you, like, you place your biometrics here, they actually give you some medication. You just miss when a client come to the hospital, the client told you, I have been taking this medication. Even if you ask this client, what medication are you taking? They cannot even tell you the exact cause of the medication they are taking. Maybe somebody can actually lie to you. You have kidney stones, but that's not even true. You know, somebody can just check you and say that you have kidney stones without even taking you to an ultrasound. For an MRI or for a CT scan. That's total lie. When you have a certain condition, for example, I normally tell people, when you have pain, pain is not a disease. It is a symptom for a certain condition. When you have pain, stop just moving around and going to take this over-the-counter medication. You might be having a serious illness in the body. So don't be so gullible or be trapped in this game. People are just here finding money, of which it is not even good at all to be scammed on that perspective. So the good trajectory or the good way to follow is that you when you have any condition in the body, for example, for ladies, those who normally suffer a lot from UTIs, you know, somebody might tell you you are not doing this and this, you are taking certain food. I don't understand how taking a certain meal can cause you having a urinary tract infection. A urinary tract infection is caused by a specific bacteria, but then in the street somebody might tell you you are suffering from this condition because you are taking certain foods, or you are not adhering to this and this. Those are all medical scams. For example, people normally take certain medications and you are told this medication are going to do this and this in your body. For example, people who are suffering from arthritis, their specific medication, when you go to the doctor, they must give you a correct diagnosis and tell you, my client, you have this condition and you be on this medication. But when you go to the streets, people are telling you, go to that person. That person has a certain machine which will magnify and try to remove all the inflammation around the joints. Those are total scams. These are the medical scams that are going around in Kenya. And if you're not ready to be trapped in that game, or to be gullible, to be persuaded with that, please go and visit your healthcare provider and tell them, my doctor, I'm suffering from this and this, and they just give you the correct diagnosis, definitely. So don't be trapped all along with all those medical scams. For example, somebody can tell you, let me just give you medication to reduce the fat in your body. What medication to reduce those fats? For you to reduce fat in the body, you must live an healthy life, avoid a lot of junk food, take exercises. Don't be trapped in this thing. By the way, for you to avoid even visiting a doctor, by the way, you should keep a smile. I heard somebody say, a smile normally keep the doctor away. Live an healthy life. You know, uh, Eat well, exercise, take enough sleep, avoid a lot of junks, avoid a lot of sugars, because even these sugars are causing a lot of problems in our body. So guys, please adhere to that. Leave along the medical scams in the road. Somebody has these biometric machines. They tell you they are magnifying all the conditions the body, because if you're having a kidney disease, by the way, you must go to the laboratory, have some kidney function test. If you're having a liver problem, go to the laboratory. Liver function test, they must be taken. Also, if for example, if you have liver cirrhosis, an ultrasound or a CT scan must be taken. So I don't understand how somebody in the street with magnifying lens will just tell you have this condition, this and this and this. I mean, you even reprimanding science, because science itself says that if you have a certain thing, it must be proven you have this by the relevant sources. For example, going for lab test or something of the sort. So please adhere to that. Live an healthy life. Take good food. Avoid junk food or some sort of sugars in the streets. Drink water at least 8 to 10 glasses in a day. Exercise well. Sleep well. Avoid a lot of stress, and you will not even visit these doctors or anything. Especially right now, hypertension and diabetes is becoming a cumbersome thing in the society. So guys, don't die in that trap. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching.